Hello, so today I made some very sticky slime. Well, it wasn't sticky in the beginning until I added like some lotion and gel. Let me show you what I used. So first up, I used Vaseline Intensive Care Advanced Repair Healing Moisture Lotion. And I also use some dollar store styling gel. I actually got these ideas from I got it from Just Amira, and I also did the St. Ives hydrating, and later on, like I'm gonna cut this out of the video, but I'm gonna use just this Lusty Professional protein hair styling gel. And as you can see, it's like a kind of peach with a lot of glitter. It's kind of sandy right there. So I'm gonna try to let it out for like a few minutes and see if like I can let it harden and then repair it with some like the things that I use to make it softer. I'm mostly gonna use this and like a little drop of this gel because the gel is really strong and it made it melt. I'm just gonna add some more real quick. So before, when I was playing with it, I had to bring it here. And it was a total mess. It got on my shirt, look. And it got in a lot of other places. I accidentally put some of my case in the gel. As you can see, it's very sticky. And so I'll be back and show you how it is in like a couple of minutes. It's probably so sticky that I'd wait like an hour or something. So I'll get some food, be right back. Wait, this one actually looks very, like before I added all the things that make it so gooey. It was pretty clicky. I'm just gonna add some more so it's like much more like gooey and sticky. I'll be right back. Hello guys, so I think I've put so much where the point it's not slime anymore. And I think I just ruined my slime, so I'll just let it out for a couple like minutes and tell you what happens. Well, yeah. Hello guys, so I just added some color, even though it was not ready. Oh, what's that? There's like a little chunk of it. Oh, because that part's kind of alive, but I just added a really pink kind of color, even through the camera, like through the phone. It looks so weird. Yeah, I don't think we can do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna add more color and I'll be back when it's done. Guys, I actually lied to you, I'm so sorry, but I just added some powder dye and I hate pink. I don't know why I'm doing this. I guess it's for the girls out there who like pink, but I'll be back.